but it's a fun book. Rain's here. Congrats! Stay safe, Andrew, now that the raid's finally here. Have you closed your windows? I hope you closed your windows. Where is it? Where is it? I guess I don't have it in my list of book quotes. I thought I did, but I must not have actually written anything down from that one. Yeah, lame. Anyway, there's a fun book out there. House is as sealed as it gets. Get some towels ready, just in case. I do hope you don't need to use them. Yeah, please do stay safe. It's fall here already. The windows have been closed. Is it quite cold where you are? I don't know the temperatures there. It's still really warm here. Today especially. It is 28. Just ridiculous. It's October. Can we calm down yet? The wind, you only have 23 I would have expected you to have a lot more wind with that kind of storm, Andrew. The humidity's 93%, yeah, understandable. See, it's windier here and we don't have any storm going on. Also, it's just kind of been windy for a couple days, I don't really get why. Yeah, and Layat, if you can't find it, just ask me later, I can also look for it. It's not a lot of wind, but I can see the rain coming across in sheets. It's pretty cool to watch rain from like a distance.